Navigating the terrain of property damages as a landlord in Perth can be complex. Whether it's willful damage or accidental neglect caused by a tenant, you need to know your rights as a landlord. Hello, it's Vera from Stage Property here, where we help property investors maximize their return on investment and minimize the hassles of managing their Perth rental properties. The laws guiding the amount of compensation a landlord can claim from a tenant are covered by the Residential Tenancies Act 1987 and the Residential Tenancies Regulations 1989. There is no upper limit set by these laws for the amount of compensation a landlord can seek for intentional or negligent damage to their property. This means if damages go beyond the security bond, landlords have the legal right to pursue additional compensation. For landlords, this process involves several steps. Firstly, the final inspection and condition report. After the tenancy ends, inspect the property and prepare a final report. This should be compared to the initial property condition report to identify any new damages. Next, if you find damages, you need to issue a breach notice to the tenant. The tenant has 14 days to address the issue. The next step is to initially claim the cost of damages from the security bond. After that, if the tenant disputes or fails to pay any excess costs, you may need to seek legal recourse. This includes applying to the magistrate's court for compensation. If the court rules in your favor and the tenant still doesn't pay, you can enforce the court order. Importantly, if the damage is significant and deliberate, it could be seen as a criminal offense with potential fines or even imprisonment. For both landlords and tenants, understanding your legal rights and responsibilities is key. Speak to your property manager for their advice initially, and if you're self-managing your investment property, in case of disputes, seeking legal advice or assistance from authorities like the Department of Mines, Industry Regulation and Safety is advisable. Landlords should also consider rental protection insurance to safeguard against losses. This framework aims to protect both parties in a rental agreement, ensuring a fair and legal approach to handling property damages. If you have questions about dealing with these issues, feel free to reach out to the team at Stage Property on 08 9325 9888. We've had many years of experience in property management dealing with property damages caused by tenants. We'll be happy to help where possible. And if you'd like to get rid of the current hassles and time-consuming aspects of property management, then my team would be happy to discuss how they can give you peace of mind and ensure a great return on your investment property. Thanks for watching the video. This is Vera from Stage Property saying goodbye. As always, if you'd like to see more tips and helpful advice for property investors, like and follow us on social media and keep an eye out for future videos.